Hi guys, this is Cyril Luciano and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you my newly renovated one-bedroom unit here in Park McKinley West. This is 35 square meters. So, are you ready guys? Let's go! Hi guys! Welcome to my newly renovated one-bedroom unit here in Park McKinley West. Let's go! So, baliktad muna tayo dito, Lor. Ayan. So, before we start the tour, I would like to thank again Sir Yuzon and his team for doing a great job in renovating my unit. So, from bare to this kind of unit na. So, thank you so much, Sir Yuzon, and to your whole team. So, this is the this is my third unit na ni-renovate ni Sir Yuzon. So, I always hire Sir Yuzon because I love yung quality ng works niya and yung quality ng works and kung paano siya magtrabaho dito sa unit and paano niya na-turn over or na-deliver yung finished product ng mga renovation. So, kaya laging si Sir Yuzon din yung nire-refer namin sa clients. So, again guys, my unit is for Airbnb. If you want to check the rates and dates available, you can check in the description box yung Airbnb link. So, let's start! So, dito sa area na to, this is the laundry area. Lakas. So, this is the laundry area. So, I bought a washer and dryer. So, washer and dryer na to and then microwave. And at the same time, meron pa tayong extra storage dito sa taas. So, if madaming gamit si guest, so para hindi siya naka-clutter sa labas, dito na lang nila itago. So, ang laking storage. Ayan. So, in this side naman, this is extra storage again. So, this time, hindi lang painting ang pinang-cover ni Sir Yuzon. It's a cabinet na. So, normally, ito gustong kino-coveran to ni Sir Yuzon ng painting. But this time, extra storage siya for the, let's say, sampayan. So, fire extinguishers here. And, ginaya ko yung sa isang unit ng client. Naubo ko. First aid kit. So, for the guests. And then, this one, bumili din ako na to. Charcoal siya. So, lagi ko tong ginagamit or lagi ko tong nilalagay sa unit after ng renovation ng units namin. Kasi nakakawala siya ng amoy nung pintura or dust. So, andyan siya. So, naglagay na din ako dyan. So, may makikita kayo. And in this side naman, this is the location for the shoe cabinet. So, I thought isang ganito lang yung gagawin ni Sir Yuzon. Pero nung nag-visit ako dito, isang buong panel, isang buong ganito pala siya. So, ang laki niya, ang dami. It can actually fit around mga 12 shoes and slippers. So, kung hindi nyo naman kailangan ng ganong kadaming shoes and slippers, you can use this as extra storage din. Ayan. So, dito sa side na to, we also have some decor. So, yung decors natin, binili ko siya from IKEA. I got this from IKEA. And then, yung mga plants. This one, yung frame. Tapos, pinrint ko lang to. Pinrint ko lang yung mga flowers, yung mga nasa frame. Pinrint ko lang siya para magkaroon ng medyo konting color, not just green. And this one, ito yung video intercom ni Mega World. So, if you have visitors downstairs, you can check them directly. This is a one-way camera. So, kayo lang yung makakakita sa kanila. So, ayan. So, if you have any concerns, you can call the concierge. Ayan. So, I also have this. I got this from H&M Home. So, ayan. Ganda. And naka-sale siya that time. So, by the way, this one pala, may cove light siya. I-on natin. Ganyan siya. So, pinatay lang namin siya kasi nag-flicker siya sa video. So, ayan. I-off na ulit natin para maganda yung quality. Ay, okay. So, dito din sa side. Ayan. So, dito sa side, may cove light din to. Pakita ko lang sa inyo very quick. So, ganyan din siya. So, off lang natin kasi yun nga, nag-flicker, hindi masyadong maganda. So, this is the kitchen area na. Sir Yuzon relaminated this cabinets kasi yung color na nakalagay dito before, it's only for Mega World and it's hard for Sir Yuzon to source kung ano yung color na yun. Kasi yung color na to, ito din yung gagamitin, let's say, dito sa cabinet na to and other cabinets dito sa unit. So, Sir Yuzon just decided na i-relaminate na lang para as is. And if you notice, change din namin to. It's a bronze mirror na, yung backsplash. Bronze mirror, and then, eto, yung countertop. So, yung countertop na to, ginaya ko yung sa isang unit namin na yung theme niya more on gray and then medyo dark colors na. Kasi very, very low maintenance. Grabe, ang sarap. So, parang ang dali niyang linisin and hindi siya nagmumukhang madumi agad. So, but this one, the cooktop, it's already provided na by Mega World. This one provided na, and even the sink, this one. So, eto, pina-change lang din namin. I-open ko lang, super quick. So, ayan, pina-convert ko to sa glass instead na ganito para magkaroon ng parang konting design, hindi siya isang buong cabinet agad. So, kumpleto na din siya. Ayan. So, Airbnb ready na, guys. So, you can check out. Ayan. So, brand new yan lahat, guys. And here, this one naman, this is if you also have a unit here in Park Makili West na 35 square meters, and if you're wondering anong size ng fridge yung kakasya sa inyo, this is an LG fridge. It's 10 cubic feet. Parang 10 point something siya, 10.1, parang ganun. Pero 10 cubic feet, mag-fit na siya dito. Okay, and we also have extra storage dito sa taas. This storage is the location for the Wi-Fi. So, yun yung maganda sa mga bagong condos din ni Mega World. Kasi, may provision na siya for the Wi-Fi. So, wala kayong makikitang modem or wires for the internet. Kasi andito na siya lahat. Nakatago na and di mo na kailangan galaw-galawin. So, andyan siya. So, very clean. Very tidy yung Very tidy. So, so dito naman, this is the toilet and bath. So, nirepaint lang to ni Sir Yuzon. This is painting. Ayan. A painting. So, pinaint siya. Ayan. Together with the door. Painting. Inuulit. So, door. Ayan. So, pinaint siya. Ayan. And then, this is motion sensor. Provided na siya ni Mega World. So, open lang natin. So, ayan. So, very minimal lang yung renovation dito. We just replaced this mirror. Ayan. Nilagyan lang siya ng cabinet. And then, nag-add lang ako ng under-sink cabinet dito. That's the location for the extra storage din. Ayan. And then, yung water heater, andyan din siya. So, lavatory as is na siya. Naglagay din ako dito. Di lang static, pero iyan natin. Para mawala yung amoy. And then, dito, wala na tayong masyadong pinagawa. Partial glass enclosure, lahat na tong nakikita nyo na to, it's all provided by Mega World upon turnover ng unit nyo. So, very, very minimal lang. So, nakasave tayo ng malaki dito. And, by the way, yung tiles pala, hindi na din ako nagpaiba. So, as is na din siya, hindi na ako nagpaiba kay Sir Yuzon. So, nag-add na lang tayo ng mga carpet. So, now naman, papunta na tayo sa dining. Pero before tayo pumunta doon, ang ganda ng curve. May curve ulit. Ayan. Ang ganda. Para sumobra nga ng gawa Sir Yuzon dito eh. Para sobrang lapad niya. Oh. Ang laki. Ang galing. Ang ganda. Ayan. So, yan. Meron din tayo yan sa isang unit. So, pinalagay ko din siya dito para may konting softness din dito sa unit. By the way, this unit pala, sinabi ko kay Sir Yuzon na gusto ko na parang hotel-like inspired siya. So, yun yung theme na ginawa namin dito sa unit. It's a hotel-like inspired unit. So, here. This is the dining area. So, this dining area, dining table, it's a quartz top. And then, yung dining chairs, it's custom made by Sir Yuzon. So, siya yung gumawa niyan. Same with the other furnitures dito. So, nagpalagay din ako ng mirror, bronze mirror, para mas magmukha siyang maluwag ng konti. And then, this one, same to nung nakalagay sa, I think, sa cabinet. So, same siya. And then, dito naman tayo sa side. This is the living area. So, this is a leather sofa. Since, mas, low maintenance. Since this unit is for Airbnb nga, hindi ako mahihirapan na parang ipapa-wash siya lagi. So, ayan. And then, this one, sofa bed din to, guys. Sofa bed din siya. Ayan. So, di ko na ilalatag. Ayan. Pero sofa bed din. So, if you're planning to stay here, maximum 4 packs. This one, pag nilatag nyo siya, it will be converted to a queen size bed. And very accessible, very lightweight. Like, ganyo. So, very lightweight. So, hindi siya mahirap move around kung gusto nyo na i-convert to as sofa bed. So, very lightweight. So, ayan. So, ayan. Move around nyo na lang. And, by the way, yung carpet, I got this from SM Department Store. And, sale siya that time. So, parang naka 50% off siya. And, grabe, sobrang sulit. And, again, guys, the painting of Sir Yuzon Katayong. And meron siyang, ayan, may signature siya. So, thank you so much, Sir Yuzon. Nakakailang painting na ako sa'yo. So, libre siya or free siya na nilalagay ni Sir Yuzon dito. Wala tong additional payment. So, yung mga nire-renovate niya, laging may ganito. Ito yung pang-decor niya. Sarili niyang artwork. And, one of the things na nagustuhan ko din dito is this one. This is a travertine tiles. Ayan, travertine tiles. Medyo para siyang natural stone. So, this one, I asked Sir Yuzon during the rendering na gusto ko sa side na to may something light na parang may natural stone element. So, initially, I thought kamukha siya nung sa dining table na yung parang marble quartz type na may pa-flow-flow. Akala ko yun yung ilalagay niya. Pero, nung nag-turn over or nung binigay niya sa akin yung unit, done na, nagulat ako dito kasi sobrang ganda. As in, parang natural stone siya, guys. Pero travertine lang siya. Travertine tiles. So, that's one thing na gusto namin kay Sir Yuzon. Na gusto namin ginagawa kasi Sir Yuzon, nag-over-deliver talaga siya. So, better pa siya dun sa naiisip ko na design. So, super happy ako dyan. I'm so happy. So, yung furnitures pala, like yung sofa, yung dining, it's a custom made. So, even your unit is small or big or even you have a irregular shape unit, since custom made yung mga furniture ni Sir Yuzon, it will parang yung magiging finish niya or yung kalalabasan niya will be good kasi custom made siya, hindi siya binibili somewhere lang. So, it depends dun sa style or sa unit mo. So, now, we're here! So, this is lahat na. So, this is the bedroom area. So, if you want to check pala yung itsura na to before the renovation, we'll be putting the link then dito sa description box kasi I uploaded the before renovation video dun sa personal YouTube channel ko. So, if you just want to check yung before and then ito yung after, check nyo yung sa personal YouTube channel ko. And before kasi, this one, may harang siya. So, natural, yung normal door na ganon. So, I decided na ipa-knock down talaga siya kasi mas malaki siyang tingnan, mas malaki yung feeling natin. So, ngayon, pocket door na lang siya. I'll just, pakita ko lang sa inyo, guys. Ayan. So, may privacy pa din if you have visitors. So, huwag na natin isagad. So, same din siya. Kaya, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Kasi, kaya bakit pinalitan pa ni Sir Yuzon yung cabinet sa kitchen? Kasi gagamitin niya yung same color na yon, same material, sa ibang mga parts dito sa unit. Para, magkakamukha siya. Hindi iba-iba ng style. So, dito naman, ayan. So, we have the built-in side table. Built-in side table. Ayan. So, pina-ano ko din siya. Pina-float. Tama ba yung float? Floating shelves. Hindi floating shelves. Floating side table. So, hindi ako sure kung anong tama. Pero parang floating built-in side table. So, ayan yung pinagawa ko. Kasi, natuto kami dun sa isang unit na hindi siya floating hanggang floor. So, yung parang alikabok, naiiwan siya dito. Unlike ito, pag nilinis, madali siya. And you can also put another, like yung mga gamit or extra bag. So, dito. Ayan. So, yung decors, ayan, IKEA lang din. Then, pinrint ko. Tapos, this one, IKEA. So, here, dito naman tayo sa side. So, this is the cabinet pala. Initially, 3 doors to. So, 1, 2, meron pa siya dito. Nirequest ko kay Sir Yuzo na tanggalin yung extra na cabinet dito since I'll be using this unit again for Airbnb. So, hindi naman need ng mga guests talaga na sobrang laking cabinet. So, instead na 3 doors siya, 2 doors na lang and pina-convert ko na lang siya sa ganitong cabinet, lagay ng mga decors. So, again, I got this from SM Department Store, IKEA, and H&M Home. So, doon ko lang siya binili. And I have some law books dito ng boyfriend ko. So, instead na nasa bahay lang siya, since hindi naman na siya ginagamit, so, nilagay natin siya dito. So, yung mga guests natin, Airbnb guests, you can also read. Ito, totoong libro yan. You can also read yung mga law books dyan. And here, this is the TV. So, this TV, it's LG din. It's LG and 55 inches siya. So, just reference if ever na you're planning to renovate or you're planning to furnish your unit din. So, 55 inches, okay na okay siya na size. So, yung background or yung wall deck or dito, yung wall, it's travertine tiles din. So, same to nung nasa, ayan, ang ganda, no? Same siya nung nasa living area. So, meron dito and then meron din doon. So, as you can see, very cohesive yung design or yung mga nilagay dito ni Sir Yuzon. Parang may relation talaga siya sa isa't isa. Hindi yung biglang may nag-pop na ganung color. So, very cohesive siya mag-design. And another cabinet here. So, ayan. So, extra storage. Sobrang daming storage. Yan. So, here naman, this is the the bed. So, this is the bed. So, yung bed frame, it's also a custom made by Sir Yuzon. So, ito. Lahat na to, gawa niya. Yan. Ito yung ilalim. And then, this one, it's a drawer. I'm not sure if maano ka. Ay, hindi ko makuha. So, ito. Drawer siya. Ayan. Drawer. So, siya gumawa na to. So, I only bought yung mga pillows and mattress, and then yung mga duvet. I bought this from SM Department Store sa SM Aura. So, very convenient lang. Like, super lapit na lang nun dito. So, ayan, binili ko na lang yan. And then, we also have, here, a pendant light. I initially requested kay Sir Yuzon na dito nakalagay. Kasi ayoko nung may parang gumagalaw-galaw na ganyan. Pero, nung itatry na or ilalagay na, since maliit tong space, baka mabasag yung bronze mirror. So, Sir Yuzon just decided na eto na lang, pendant light na lang. And another built-in floating built-in side table. Ang haba naman nun. Basta may space siya sa ilalim. And another painting from Sir Yuzon. So this one, I requested kay Sir Yuzon yung combination ng colors. Pink, yellow, green, and white. So, galing. Sinunod niya. So, if you have preference na mga colors, sabihin niyo lang yun kay Sir Yuzon. So, gagawin niya yun for you. And last, guys, so this is the curtain. Ito din yung isa sa pinaka-favorite ko na mga ginagawa ni Sir Yuzon, yung mga curtain. This is a blackout curtain din. And then, a sheer curtain. Since actually lahat ng units or condos ni Mega World, nire-require niya na white, beige, yung curtain outside. So, if you need a blackout curtain, parang double layer nyo na lang siya. So, dito siya. So, dito siya ginagalaw, guys. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. So, andito siya sa likod, sa gilid. And then, if you want to close, ayan siya. So, it's a blackout curtain. Ayan, dilim na. So, open natin. And then, pakita ko sa inyo yung one of the parang best feature ng unit na to. Let's go dito sa balcony. Let's go! It's the view. Ayan. This is the view. So look, guys. Ang ganda. So this is facing sunrise, facing east. You can also see the McKinley Hill, the pool, the amenities, the Lawton. It's along Lawton Avenue din. You can see the Lawton Avenue, the greeneries. So pag umaga, dito talaga yung nung araw, kaya very helpful na meron tayong blackout curtain. Pero pag hapon, let's say ngayon, mga 1 or 2 p.m. na, nasa kabila na yung araw niyan. So, you can chill na dito. So, you can have your coffee or read books here. Tapos, may view pa kayo ng amenities. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan, so, pasok naman tayo ulit sa loob. Ayan. So, another pala guys, this one, yung door niya, it's double pane glass. Nakakatulong siya na mabawasan yung noise. So, facing Loton to, and Loton is very busy road. Parang main road na siya. Pero ngayon, ayan, very minimal na yung naririnig natin. So, punta tayo dito ngayon. Ay, yung carpet pala, I forgot. Yung carpet yan, SM Department Store din yan. At a very, very good price. So, that's it guys. That's my 35 square meters, 1-bedroom unit, renovated unit here in Park McKinley West. So, I hope na-inspire kayo dito. And if you would like to, let's say, gusto nyo ipagaya or na-inspire kayo dito sa decor, sa design na to, you can freely forward this YouTube video dun sa interior designer nyo. So, yun guys. So, just a quick story about this unit. I got this unit back in 2018. That was the time na nilaunch namin itong Park McKinley West. So, nakuha ko siya at a very, very introductory price. So, kung alam nyo yung introductory price that time, yun yung price na nakuha ko without extra discounts ha. We don't have an employee discount. So, we got that at that price. And then, ngayon, yung price na to, doble na siya. Like, times 2. Literally, times 2 yung price. So, I'm so happy na nung nilaunch namin yung Park McKinley West na to, may parang, nung nilaunch siya, so let's say nasa office, ganyan nilaunch, may parang, may gusto ko kagad mangyari na I should have or I must have a unit dyan sa Park McKinley West. Kasi nakita ko yung mga properties ng clients ko and yung uncle ko na nakabili ng property sa Uptown way back 2008. It's only 3 million back then, but now, sobrang taas na, like times 3, times 4 yung price. So, when we had a chance na na-launch yung bago na to, yung Park McKinley West, talagang sinabi ko, kailangan ko magka-unit dito, kailangan ko magka-investment. Kasi before, etong area na to, kung saan nakatayo yung Park McKinley West, it's just a jogging path. And imagine, parang nakasabay tayo dun sa pag-construct ng Park McKinley West. So, I'm very, very happy din. And by that time, kinukwento ko din yung kila Lore na I don't have enough savings para ipambayad talaga dito sa unit. So, pero I'm happy na pinush ko siya kasi this is my first property investment bago pa yung dalawang vlog namin before ni Lore. This is the first one na sobra grabe yung kaba ko that time na, oh my God, kaya ko babayaran? Kasi alam ko na yung savings ko, hindi siya talaga enough. Pero, I just push myself na if hindi ako kukuha before, wala na akong chance na makakuha ng ganung price. So, kaya talagang pinush ko yung sarili ko. And it's good thing din kasi this unit, this is my baby. I think this is my baby, my first baby na property. When I got this, it helps me push my limits then. And nakatulong siya, tinulungan ako na to na in making decisions in life na yung gagawin ko na to, makakatulong ba to pambayad ko dito sa Park McKinley West? Kasi sobrang nakakakaba talaga siya sa una. Sobrang taas ng risk, especially kung hindi enough yung savings. Pero I'm really, really happy kasi when I bought this unit, that's the time na mas na-push ako mag-work ng bongga, and that's the parang domino effect siya eh. Nakabili ako ng unit, kailangan ko siya bayaran, kailangan kong gawin yung best ko sa work para ipambayad ko dito. And hindi ko namamalaya na nagiging okay na yung work ko. And then at that time, naging top producer. And then yung top producer na yon, napadala pa ako sa Europe for travel incentive. So imagine guys, it just started because of this kaba sa investment na ginawa ko dito sa Park McKinley West. So that's how I started with this Park McKinley West. And my initial plan for this unit is to resell the property before the turnover, or I bought this 2018, and then isa-sell ko lang siya ilang years. Pero 2019, that's the time na in-announce yung Metro Manila Subway, which will be here in McKinley West area. So, hindi pa lang siya operating, pero more or less around 2031, operational na siya. So, imagine the price lalo ng mga property dito. So, yun yung nag-push sa akin na, wag na, i-hold ko na lang tong unit na to for long term. And, yun, so super happy ako. And then, initially, dapat i-resell. And then, next plan is, dito ako titira. Pero, nung ginagawa na namin ni Sir Yuzon yung rendering dito, ang liit. Parang hindi enough kasi initially hindi ko siya ipapatibag hindi ko ipapa-knockdown yung wall. So, since ako yung titira, kailangan may privacy na talaga. So, hindi ko siya ipapa-knockdown. And, sobrang parang hindi enough yung space ko sa mga gamit dito sa unit. So, change of plans again. And now, ayan. So, nahanap na natin ang final purpose ng unit na to. I'll just be using this for Airbnb. So, I'm happy with the result of my studio unit na currently nasa Airbnb din. So, I'm so happy kasi natutulungan niya ako magbayad dun sa monthly amortization. So, same with this unit. And one thing din siguro na I can share is that nakakakaba mag-invest pero ang bilis lang ng time, ang bilis lang ng araw, ang bilis lang ng parang ng panahon and hindi mo mamamalayan na makakabayad ka na pala, tapos na pala yung equity mo, tapos na yung mga responsibility mo dito sa unit. So ngayon, nasa na tayo, parang reaping stage na nung unit na to. So I'm just really, really, really grateful na nag-invest ako dito. So one of the things then na maganda sa mga pre-selling na units, like very flexible yung payment terms, and most of our clients are based abroad din So if you're not in a hurry or if you're looking for a place or an investment na for your retirement, for example, for your retirement, pre-selling projects, I can say that's the best one or that's the best thing na you can invest, pre-selling condos. Kasi nagma-monthly tayo, hindi natin namamalayan, and then ready na siya by then. And I'm so happy lang. Grabe guys. So, I'm just really grateful na inano ko siya. Ito yung naging, yung switch on ko. Nagkaroon ako ng idea about sa mga properties and then yun, nasundan. So, I hope yung mga clients din namin or yung viewers na to na medyo kinakabahan na mag-invest sa property, especially let's say sa condominium na pre-selling, I hope na nakatulong to kasi that's the same direction na ginawa ko. Pre-selling, wala pa talaga, as in jogging path pa siya before. Pero now, eto na, it's here na. And very flexible pa yung payment terms na nakuha during the pre-selling stage. And number 2 na advantage din ng pre-selling is you can maximize talaga yung price appreciation. So imagine, yung price na to ngayon, if isa-sell namin, it's market price na. So nakuha ko lang siya half nun. So ngayon, times 2 na yung price. So I'm so happy and grateful. Thank you so much. So that's it guys. So thank you so much for watching our vlog. And I hope na inspire kayo dito sa unit na to or sa journey ko in investing in a condos as well. So we're not just selling but we're also investing in our product. So ako and si Lawrence, we are also investing in condominiums of Mega World. So I hope na yun, na-inspire kayo, and yun lang guys. Thank you again for watching. See you on our next vlog. Bye!